Ready to build the future? Join DEMUX 3.0, the ultimate 24-hour national-level hackathon at BVRIT Nursapur on August 13th and 14th. Whether you're into AI, smart health, agritech, or IoT, there's an innovation track for you. Form a team of 2 to 3 and compete for a prize pool of over 50,000 rupees. Open to all engineering, tech, and management students. Register on Unstop before August 4th. Are you ready to shape the future? Join FutureTech HackFest 2026 and showcase your skills in AI, IoT, robotics, and smart cities. This is an individual challenge open to all. Compete for exciting prizes, exclusive goodies, and winner certificates. Don't miss this chance to innovate and shine on a national platform. Register on Unstop today. The deadline is August 4th. Are you ready to shape the future? Join CodeFusion 2K26, the national-level hybrid hackathon supported by Microsoft. Whether you're passionate about Web3, artificial intelligence, or open innovation, this is your chance to shine. Compete for a massive 2 lakh rupee prize pool and showcase your skills at the grand finale at Echelon Institute of Technology in Faridabad. Registration closes August 9th on Unstop. Gather your team and apply today. Are you ready to touch the skies? Join Hydro Lift, the ultimate water rocket challenge at Manat Bhopal. Open to all students in teams of 1 to 5. Showcase your skills in aerodynamics, propulsion, and structural design. Build a high-performance rocket using only water and compressed air to compete for a 5,000 rupee prize. Submit your design report by August 10th and prep for the offline launch on August 22nd. Register now and let your innovation take flight. Are you ready to change the world? Manipal University Jaipur presents the International Innovation Challenge 3.0, open to all students globally. Grab your team of 1 to 4 members and tackle one of 10 exciting themes from healthcare to smart cities. With a massive prize pool of 7 lakh rupees up for grabs, it's time to bring your brightest ideas to life. Don't miss out. Register on Unstop by August 11th. Pitch, prototype, and win big. Are you ready to solve real-world challenges? Join Brainwave 2026, the National Innovation Challenge at USARG Sipu in Delhi. Whether you're an undergrad, postgrad, or recent grad, gather your team of 2 to 4 and build something amazing. Get exclusive mentorship from industry professionals and compete for massive cash prizes, premium swag, and the ultimate winner's trophy. The grand finale is August 21st. Register today on Unstop before August 12th. Are you a tech-savvy college student in India ready to make an impact? Step into the spotlight with the Shastra Campus Ambassador Program from IIT Madras. Drive innovation and outreach at your campus leading up to the grand January 2027 festival. Unlock exclusive perks including official certificates, elite mentorship, and premium internship opportunities. Build your leadership skills and connect with innovators nationwide. Registration closes August 14th. Apply today at cac-astra.org. Are you ready to shape the future? Join Innovix 6.0, the ultimate international hackathon with the theme Agentic AI for Smart Solutions, calling all students, developers, and tech enthusiasts to shine on a global stage. Compete for a massive 2 lakh rupee prize pool with 80,000 rupees for the grand winner. Mark your calendars for September 14th and 15th. Don't wait. Registrations close August 14th. Secure your spot now at innovicac.co. Are you ready to build the future of Edge AI? Join the Arduino Physical AI Challenge India 2026. Challenge yourself to move beyond software and create intelligent, real-world hardware systems using the Arduino Uno Q. Compete solo or in teams of up to 4 for a massive prize pool of over 30 lakh rupees, including cash, Snapdragon laptops, and smartphones. This is free to enter. Register by August 15th at robu.in. Don't miss your chance to innovate. Are you ready to innovate? Join the Data Vortex Sky Intellect Hackathon 2026 at KL University, Guntur. This thrilling 24-hour global software hackathon challenges students to build cutting-edge solutions in data science, cybersecurity, and drone technology. Form a team of 1 to 6 and compete for cash prizes, exclusive internships, and certificates. Present your ideas virtually and battle it out in the exciting in-person finale. Registration closes August 31st. Register on Unstop today and launch your future.